I'm meteorologist Alan Archer. Look now to Tuesday afternoon hurricane weather watch moon weather forecast here on the Starcom Network. Currently, our satellite loop indicating partly cloudy to cloudy skies now and around the island chain. We're looking at some cloud cover blown off from Hurricane Humberto well to our north. Actually, the hurricane itself is centered west of Bermuda, but high clouds coming out of the hurricane extend all the way down into our area. Unbelievable. What a big storm. It is weakening, but its circulation is still huge. Now, to our east and northeast, there is a little area of disturbed weather. It's about 700 miles east and northeast of us, but at the present time, it's not moving, and the latest computer forecast models really aren't wanting to do much with it either. There's a new tropical wave, though, which leaves the west coast of Africa Thursday. The European forecast models develop it into a tropical depression that would pass about 400 miles to the north of the Northern Leeward Islands late next week. The American forecast models have it developing into a tropical depression that would move into the Leeward Islands close by, however, next Thursday, or in other words, about 9 days from now. Repeating, about 9 days from now, we could see a low-pressure area that maybe become a tropical depression passing a little bit north of us into the Leeward Islands. After that, it takes off through the Virgin Islands and the northward in the direction of the Central Atlantic shipping lanes as a weakening tropical system. Not a big deal. As far as the current episode is concerned, the big story is Hurricane Imelda, which has caused the National Weather Service and the Bermuda Weather Service to issue a hurricane warning for the island of Bermuda. 735 miles to the west-southwest of Bermuda lies 80-mile-an-hour Hurricane Imelda, forecast to become 100-mile-an-hour Hurricane Imelda, and moving over Bermuda late tomorrow night. Hurricane Humberto is in the process of weakening, however, and that's out ahead of Imelda. It's currently an 80-mile-an-hour hurricane 300 miles to the west of Bermuda. Our forecast here, unaffected by either hurricane at this point. Skies are going to stay variably cloudy for today on through the end of the week now. We've called for a 10 to 15% chance of an isolated shower through tonight, a 20% chance of a widely scattered shower tomorrow through Friday, so that's a little upward revision in the rain chance. Our highs daily at 90 Fahrenheit, 32 Celsius, lows 82 Fahrenheit, 28 Celsius, while our marine weather forecast has winds light coming out of the east, 10 to 15 knots through tonight, with seas 1.5 to 2 meters. Tomorrow, east southeast, 10 knots, 1.5 to 2 meters in southeast swells. And taking tides to harbor in Bridgetown, a low at 2:37 this afternoon. We'll have a high 9:02 tonight. Then tomorrow, it's a low tide 5:12 in the morning, a high 12:43 tomorrow afternoon. At the current time, our skies here at Grand Lee Adams are mostly cloudy. Humidity is 69%. The winds are east 11 miles an hour. It's 87 Fahrenheit, 31 Celsius. While at Rockley, our skies are cloudy, a sprinkle. Humidity 66%. The winds are out of the east, 10 miles an hour. It's 88 Fahrenheit, 31 Celsius. I'm meteorologist Alan Archer. So, a little better chance of a shower the rest of the week here on the Starcom Network.